Hindi, baka dyan lang nilagay.
Baka dyan lang nilagay. Stringer yata yan eh. Laki pala oh. This is what we're working with. Got a couple worms. And this is the river. There's a dam. We want to cast down there. I might want to try over there as well. So we got the Kast Brutus medium light with a random reel, and this rig told me this works here. I tried artificial yesterday, so this is probably what works. It's gonna bring the bait down, put it around like that because it's a river. With a live bait today, and let's see if we get something. Let's see if we get something. Get the net. I'm gonna fish somewhere else. Somewhere else. Uli na. Bait eh. Oh, calm down, bro. Yeah. What to do? Oh, okay. Release.